Sick layup.
Hey, nice layup.
Lay it up.
Hey guys, welcome back for another Trilogy challenge with Eric and myself, but today we have some of our local friends. We've got Jon and Mike.
What's up, guys?
Hello.
Sweet. You can only get these discs playing a Trilogy challenge for now until the end of the season, so these guys are lucky enough to play with some Trilogy challenges today. We're at Hitzman-Optimist Park, a good park here in Pensacola. We've all played here many, many times, so.
Stoked. Rip on these crowns, bounties, and SPZ3s. It's gonna be a good time.
All right,
Oh, yeah.
so what's on the line today for the locals? Best score gets to take home a Trilogy challenge pack.
Ooh.
Yeah, you guys didn't know that.
Wow.
All right, let's go play.
What is this disc like?
Find out.
It's kind of stable.
It's like a...
Like a Thunderbird?
I think, yeah, I'd probably put it like a Thunderbird or
Broken in.
like an Escape meets a Getaway.
Okay. Escape away.
Escape away.
Escaping.
Mike just coming out the gates.
Gorgeous.
Good shot, bro.
Oh!
That'll work.
Get it. Oh.
Double tap.
Get it.
Boom!
Woo. 2 off 1, right? Oh, that's cool. I'm nice and warm. That's how
Must be a pro or something.
Don't.
Do it. Nice shot. Think it's taller if I throw it in?
Yep.
It's stable though. That was a deputy, maybe.
Oh. Boo.
Woo!
You see it?
Hot heat here.
Fit?
Sorry. You played here before?
No.
Yeah, the bounty does feel a little bit bigger in the hand. It's almost like a Truth did when I first started trying to attempt a forehand with it. But I think it's just gonna make my forehand a little bit more clean and more accurate, I guess, you know, as I get more smooth with it. So, yeah, it's a good disc.
There's a lot of chains. Hey, no, you're not out! You're not out! You're not out! Courtesy!
Wow, textbook putt right there. Teach us.
So good.
The crown, so good.
So Big Mike with the big birdie on hole 2. He is one down. I am also one down. John's even.
Even.
Tina's even.
Even.
Let's go.
Woo! Hole 2, 3,
Steven.
hole 3.
Hole 3.
Come on, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can I go again?
Butter. $1 if you make it.
Alright. A little too low to make that.
Still a good shot though.
Gave it hell.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, Jon!
Best putter in the world.
Wow.
With the lefty.
Damn, that was good.
So good.
Don't hit that.
Wow.
Go, hit that.
Wow.
Hit that basket.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
SPZ3. This thing's beautiful, by the way.
Yeah, man.
It's upside down.
You're upside down.
I'm not. Well, I'm not from down under. Yeah.
Yes, nice shot.
Look at that snap. Look at that kick.
You also see how I got off the
Yeah. Mike. Yeah, Mike, get in.
Let's go.
Nice shot, brother.
That was gold.
Yeah, Mike.
Let's go.
Basket.
Redo. Redo.
No.
Didn't count.
Wah, wah. Wow.
It's okay, Tina. You'll get the next one.
It wasn't that bad.
Scoring update.
Score
We just finished hole 4. I am even.
He'll wear it because it's
No, I'm 1 over now.
1 over.
That is
Bad.
cool.
Bad.
I'm even.
I just got a birdie at -1.
I'm 3 under.
I'm Eric. I'm 3
Up.
under.
Up.
Ooh, yeah.
Hey Mike, can I get your impressions on the SPZ3?
SPZ3, I'm really liking it. It was a tad more overstable feeling on that shot than it was earlier on earlier shots, so might just need to control the angle on it a little bit better. But yeah, it feels nice. I really like the plastic too. Was it Fusion?
It would be gold line.
Gold line, yeah, because the SPZ. Yeah, it was really good.
Nice pull, Tina.
Woo!
Eric, are you having any revelations on these discs since we last played our Trilogy Challenge?
No, but I didn't give the SPZ3 enough credit, so I released it pure hyzer, what I needed to kind of trust to keep it flat and let the disc actually just stay flat, not flip up to flat. I know I have some power on a forehand, but you know, you got to hit the right angle if you want it to fly.
Pay $1 if I throw it in?
No. Yes.
I'll give you $1.
Thanks, Mike. Woo! Was that wide enough?
You're definitely trying to throw it in. Full send!
In.
Yeah, Mike.
Frogman was the best putt ever.
For the backhand, the forehand.
Score update!
Here,
Score
Alright,
update! Pew, pew, pew.
What you got?
Still 3 down. Just barred that one.
I'm 1 down.
2
Hard that
over.
Or
Go over. No.
Jon? Still even?
Even.
Even.
Yes. Fall out, fall out, fall out. Mr. Tree.
Good tree.
So good.
Turnoverable.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
yeah.
It's gonna fly.
Hyzer flip.
What understable mids have you thrown?
Warship.
Okay.
Warship. Claymore. Patrol.
It can handle a little more power than a claymore.
Okay.
So you can, but you still need to turn it.
Okay. I'll take it.
That was a nice shot, though. Push. Look at that thing flip up, dude.
What? Why?
Oh, baby.
Wow.
Wow.
What was that?
Bounty. Fan grip.
And?
good.
Was that good?
It was an ace run. He almost
good.
aced it.
Hey, pretty
I'm gonna
good.
go with the bounty on a power grip because I don't have his power.
Let's go.
Yeah, down. Oh, baby, where you going?
Power!
Power! Too much power.
Didn't hit anything.
Slow down.
Butterfly!
Butterflies in the sky. I can go twice as high. Take a look. Send a book. Reading rainbow.
We're live on the tee here, please. Why so low? Woo!
Good kick.
So you've putted the crowns before?
Yeah, I typically use putters inside circle, outside circle. I have my select few, so I use a hard for my upshots, even off the tee. One thing I like about the hybrid is the grippiness off the tee. One thing I think what makes it feel a little bit more overstable to me is it has a little bit less glide than the hybrid plastic. So what makes it feel, I guess, because it kind of falls more rather than gliding out like my other ones do. So it kind of makes it seem like it has less like understableness to it, I guess.
Yeah, totally makes sense.
Go ahead.
Good line, bud. Good line.
That throws good. I like it. Kind of in between my Judge and Harp. So it's not quite as overstable as the Harp, but definitely more overstable than my Judge.
Score update! Score update!
Updates.
wow.
Score update. I am 4 down. I had that spit out, which was mean, but whatever. That's golf. That's life. But putt better, I guess.
Yeah, he could have put a lot better. I'm 1 down. I've been parring it up. Tina's
John?
4. We'll just say 4.
I'm 1 over.
1 over. 1 feet.
No.
Throw a crown on this one.
Crown.
I'm enjoying this.
Crayon?
disc.
Did you say like
Other than
Crayola?
for putting, I really like this disc right now.
Is it Crayola crown?
Ow. Everything low.
I couldn't even get it.
Yes.
Nice comeback, dude.
Yeah. Let's go.
Better. Okay, let's go nowhere.
Local route.
You got
I
halfway
had
there.
something on my finger and I didn't move it off, and
Whale sack.
it just
It's a great time for whale sacks, Dad.
I should have used a whale sack because I felt like I was never going to release that on time. It felt like it was
Excuse me,
going to
sir.
fall out.
May I borrow your whale sack?
There you go. Oh,
Well,
try that again. Try that again.
Man, that feels real good.
Let's try that again. Ask it again.
Man, can I borrow that whale sack?
Yeah, man.
cut.
Let's hit him with like
You want me to do
tap.
it again?
Sack tap.
Done it. What's that? All right.
I thought I lost this one.
Can't lose the one you just got. That's a
it
good
right
shot.
there, Mikey.
Nice job, Bubba.
Yeah, that was great.
Same one.
Right up the gut.
Full pass.
Stable.
Stable.
That thing is a monster.
Did I just put the bounty?
You should throw it
I'm
in.
gonna put the bounty just so you guys can see what it's like.
Jump putt bounty.
Jump putt bounty.
Johnny McRae.
Very nice. Very smooth.
Nice. Just don't get a couple bogeys.
Oh!
Hey, you know, you gotta throw it to get it in.
Nice finish, John. Nice putt.
Yeah, Gina! Yeah! Yeah! Big par!
Oh my god, you guys. She made a putt.
That thing has
Wow, Mike!
Bounty,
Our
let's go!
champion! Woo! Woo! Yeah, my microphone loves that, by the way. All right.
New instrument. We just set up.
Let's wrap it up a little, yeah?
Sweet.
Thank you guys for joining us. That was super fun.
Congratulations, Big Mike.
Woo!
Taking down the Pensacola local Trilogy Challenge with whale pants.
Gets to keep a set of Trilogy Challenge discs.
Is that good?
They good. They good.
So, what do you guys think of the discs? You like them?
I like them a lot. I really want to work. I really want to work with his SPZ some more and the bounty. The crown, I'm not 100% on it, but I think it'll be really good for throwing.
Yeah, I
Nice.
agree with that.
Heck yeah. What do you
How'd
think?
Just like all dynamic Trilogy plastic, I don't have any complaints. They just feel great in the hand. Definitely going in the bag as a thrower.
Yeah.
A little grippy for putting in the circle. I mean, if you saw me kind of let.
Yeeted.
Yeah, you know, so I like the way the harder ones come out of my hand, but this would be really good off the tee. Great, just utility disc.
Yeah.
This will help you, or I think it'll be for somebody that's not beginner, but like amateur that's going into tournaments. It'll help you really learn hammer over angles.
Yeah.
With the backhand.
And
it'll-
forehand, too.
Yeah, and with the forehand, it's gonna add something to your game.
Yeah.
It really will.
I want to try out the forehand with the SPZ as well because I didn't
I
really
like
do
it.
it today.
They're stable.
And
yeah.
then stand still, I mean,
Well,
just smooth up shots with this. I noticed, I mean, it's, yeah, with the bounty, it feels good in the hand. I'm definitely going to take it, and it's going to be one of my discs that I feel like it's going to make me throw 5 other discs better.
Oh, I love that. That's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
What do you think? Any new thoughts on the
I
disc?
actually like the crown now that I've thrown it more.
Mhm.
It reminds me of a Marshall, similar flight.
very similar.
Stability, like it's reliable for that kind of stability.
Like a Marshall and
I
a
like
Judge
throwing
had a
it
baby.
off the tee too. That was like really nice. If this course was a little shorter, I probably would have thrown it a lot more.
Yeah.
And like John was saying, like the grip of it is really nice. So
Really good.
yeah.
I'm all about that bounty fan grip. It's dope. Go to hole, whatever that hole was, 7, 8, 7. It's dope.
Dope.
Cool.
Sweet.
Thank you guys for
joining.
watching.
Thank you.
Go sign up for a Trilogy Challenge in your area. They are started now. They're going on everywhere. So go sign up for one or run one yourself.
Buy
Thanks
some
for
whale
watching.
sacks.
Now I gotta throw it in.